y'all, so I'm starting off on dry stretched hair. I'm going to start by parting my hair straight down the middle, trying to make my part as straight as possible. Then I'm going to section one half of my hair off and start working on the other side. What I'm doing is just kind of pulling my hair apart so that it won't be as tangled. And then I noticed that my hair had like a little dandruff in the middle because my hair isn't clean or anything, so I wanted to add a little bit of oil, and I decided to add oil to the whole section. Now I'm adding some of the As I Am Twist Defining Cream to that section to add a little bit of moisture. And I am detangling the section starting from the end to the root. Detangling your hair when it's dry can cause breakage, so I wouldn't really recommend it, but hey. Alright, now I'm adding the smoothing gel from As I Am to just the perimeter section, like the front perimeter section, so it can be nice and smooth. I'm gonna add some more gel to it later on. I'm using my handy dandy brush to make sure everything is nice and smooth. To begin my braid, I always have to start my braids like this. I get a small little piece in the front and I separate that into 3 little sections, and then I go ahead and cornrow. As I cornrow my hair down, I do have a lot of hair, which does cause my hand to cramp. Like, I don't know why I braid like this. I braid over, which can be a little bit difficult at times, but all I'm doing is slowly adding the hair from both sides into it. And if you have a tough time cornrowing your own hair, you just have to practice, y'all. I've been practicing cornrowing my hair for like years, and it's still not perfect, but I think it's pretty manageable. Like, I can, you know, create little styles and things like that. So as I'm you see that little motion right there, as I'm braiding my hair down, the hair in the back, I'm just pushing it down, and so that it can get into the braid. And I'm gonna actually stop braiding my hair when it gets right there at my ear. So once I get to my ear, I'm going to pretty much start forming my buns. I'm just pulling my hair out so that it can be stretched and not all crumpled up from the braiding. Then I add a little bit more of the smoothing gel and go over with my brush to make sure everything is smooth. Afterward, I get an ouchless band and I wrap it around the ponytail, I think about 3 or 4 times. Y'all, please don't kill me, but yes, I'm about to detangle that section again while it's dry. At least I'm starting from the bottom to the top, right? And I added some more of the twist defining cream. I separate the section into 2, and I went ahead and twisted it down. I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm not gonna do the bun until I'm done with the other side. So I'm gonna move on to the other side and do the exact same thing, but I'm gonna stop talking so y'all could just, you know, enjoy and watch and learn. So the bun section is pretty simple. All I'm doing is pulling the twist toward the back and then wrapping the remainder hair around the rest of the ponytail. And to secure it, I add another ponytail holder on top of it, and I wrap that around, let's say, yep, 3 times, and then I just go to the other side and do the exact same thing. So again, I'm wrapping the bun towards the back. This side was not so simple. This side was not so simple because you know how the first side always comes out good, but then the second side you got to try to make it look like the first side. So I'm just kind of positioning it how I want it to be, and then when it is where I want it to be, I go in with the ponytail holder and wrap it around 3 times. So that my buns don't go flying away, I do secure them down to the rest of my head with the bobby pin. I put one on each side. Now I'm double checking my buns to make sure they're even as possible. The left side I had to spread it out a little bit because it seemed like the right side was a little bit puffier, and I tried to make them as even as possible. It's not gonna be perfect, but you just try. That's all you can do is try. I applied some more of the As I Am smoothing gel to my toothbrush, and now I'm creating my baby hairs. This is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!